Hello everyone. In my previous videos we have learned each and every conceptual term and simple numericals so as to make the concept clear. But in this video I am going to teach you NCERT exercise question so as to prepare you from concerning your exams. Okay, so let's start question number 1. Before doing any NCERT exercise, all of you must open your NCERT book so as to read the statement, but I am trying to make the statement clear here. Okay, so let's start. First question. An athlete completes one complete round of a circular track of radius of diameter 200 meter. It means diameter of circular track that is given to us 200 meter. It means if it is the center, it will be the diameter. It is given to be 200 meter. Athlete complete one round in 40 seconds. It means time taken for one complete round. One round to complete, time taken. For one round I am using the symbol that is small t, that is 40 seconds. What will be the distance and displacement at the end of? It means total time is given to us. I am representing it by using symbol capital T, that is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. It is in second, it's okay, but it is in minute second. Firstly I must convert into second. 2 into 60 plus 20, that is 62 is 120, plus 20, that is 140 second. So total time is 140 second. Total time is 140 second and time to complete one round is 40 second. So how many rounds will it complete? So number of rounds, and that is equal to total time upon में time for one round. What is total time? Total time is 140 second and time for one round 40 second. That is equal to second cancel with second, 0 with 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, so 7 by 2, or that is 3.5 round. 3.5 must be clear to you. 3.5. Let it start from this point. It is one round. Next 2 round, next 3 round, next 3.5, ending at here. It means from A to B 3 rounds completing, then half round. Okay, but what we have to calculate? We have to find out distance and displacement. Dear students, distance is the total path. Total path in one complete round, path is 2 pi r, and in 2 complete round I have to multiply it by 2. In 3 complete round I have to multiply it by 3. In n complete round I have to multiply it by n. So distance will be equal to 2 pi r into n. What is 2 is constant, pi is 22 by 7. What is r? R is the radius and diameter is given to be 200 meter. Then what will be the radius? Radius of circular track. Yes students, in mathematics you have done, that is half of diameter. So it will be d by 2, 100 meter. Okay, so radius is 100. And what is n? N is the number of rounds, that is 7 by 2 or 3.5. I am putting here 7 by 2. 7 cancel with 7, 2 with 2. So distance is 2200 meter. Okay. Now what about displacement? Displacement is the shortest path between its initial and final position, starting from O. 1 round, 2 round, 3 round and then 3.5. It means this one is our displacement. Displacement is AB. Okay, and AB is equal to diameter of circle, and diameter of circle is given to us. Its value is 200 meter. So students, you have find out the value of distance and displacement both. It is NCERT exercise question number 1. Now NCERT exercise question number 2. The statement is given to us: Joseph jogs from one end A to other end B of a straight road 300 meter in 2 minutes 30 seconds. It means we are provided with a straight road. Let it be A, let it be B. From A to B, total distance is 300 meter. And time taken to jog means jogging from A to B is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, so time to jog from A to B, that is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Dear students, have you known that the time is given to be minute and second? What I will do in this step? Yes, I will convert the whole of time in second. So multiply 2 into 60 plus 30. 260 is 120 plus 30, that is 150 second. It means in 150 second Joseph jogs from A to B. And then turns around. Turns around means coming back. Turns around and jogs 100 meter back to point C. Means while coming back, it reaches a point C, that is 100 meter. 100 meter. 100 meter to point C in another 1 minute. It means time to jog from B to C means while coming back after turning. Turning means coming back. I am marking here arrow. First from A to B, then B to C. Then B to C, the time taken is 1 minute. 1 minute. What is to be converted? Minute into second. So it will be 60 seconds. Okay, and the distance is 100 meter. What are Joseph's average speed and velocity? Means what we have to calculate? Average speed and velocity I have to calculate from A to B and then A to C. So from A to B. A to B means while going from A to B. So I am considering first path from A to B. Average speed. Dear students, what is the formula for average speed? Total distance upon total time. So average speed. Average speed is total distance upon total time. What is the total distance? Total distance is from A to B, that is 300, and time from A to B is 150 seconds. 300 meter 150 second, it will be 2 meter per second. That is average speed. Now we have to find out average velocity. What is the value of average velocity? Total displacement upon total time. Yes beta, what is displacement? What is displacement? The straight line path between initial and final position. While going from A to B, it is already a straight line. So the distance and displacement is same in this case. So it will be again 300 meter. And time to go from A to B is same, 150 second. So it will be again 2 meter per second. Have you concluded something? Whenever a person goes in a straight line path, distance is equal to displacement and average speed is equal to average velocity, but it is always in straight line path. It is an important conceptual question, so you have to keep it in mind that in straight line path, distance is equal to displacement and average speed is equal to average velocity. Now we have to consider second case. What is the second case? That is from A to C. From A to C, we have to find out average speed. What is average speed formula? Total distance upon total time. Okay. So from A to C means what? First from A to B, then B to C. Distance A to B is 300 and while coming back 100. So it will be A to B means AB plus BC and first time plus second time. What is AB? AB is 300. What is BC? Coming back 100. Time is 150 second plus 60 second. Numerator will turn to be 400 meter and denominator on adding 210 second. 0 cancel with 0, it will be 40 by 21 and result is 1.9 meter per second. So it is the value of average speed from A to C. Now we have to find out the value of average velocity. What is average velocity? Average velocity is total displacement upon total time. What is displacement? The person has started from A and reached C. So A is the initial and C is the final. So I am writing here AC. From A to C, displacement is a vector quantity and time taken is total time so as to reach on C. So it is to be noted. I am marking here star. It is to be noted. Displacement means from initial to final position from A to C, AC. And time is T1 plus T2. What is AC? AC is AC. Let's turn back so as to understand what is AC. Total is 300. BC is 100. So what will be AC? 300 minus 100. Okay students. So it will be 300 minus 100. And what about time? First time is 150 second and second time is 60 second. Because the person has moved from A to B then B to C. Time is scalar. We have to add for total time. So it is 150 plus 60. 300 minus 100 that is 200 and 150 plus 60 that is 210. 0 cancel with 0. 20 by 21 on dividing you will get the result that it is 0.95 meter per second. Okay, so in this video I have taught you numerical number 1 and 2. It is not simply two numericals doing, actually it is a source of concept also. So revise this numerical so as to make your numerical skill much better. In next video I will teach you next numericals. So till then, goodbye.